What's up, everybody? I'm back here. Boss, get in there! Get in there, boss! Okay, I think it obeyed me. I think the board obeyed me. Mom said keep it in the shed. I kept it in the shed.
What?
The board. The shade. Here we go. Woody. Right there. He's right there. If you lift up his arm, you can see blood. If you lift up his arm, you can see blood.
He's injured.
He is?
And you don't want to try to go down there and pick him up. Have you already tried?
Yeah.
Did he bite you?
No. He just likes it. He just grabbed on my finger when it happened. He just stayed on there. I just like, well, okay.
He's injured, bub. He's not going to last long.